Today is Wednesday, December 9th, 2020. Can you say it with me? Today is Wednesday, December 9th, 2020. Good morning, boys and girls. And when we're writing the short date, we write 12-9-2020. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. January, February, March, and April, May, and June, and July, and August, September, October, November, December, 12 months in a year. Today is the 62nd day of school. Can you say that with me? 62nd. Not so easy, is it? And if you were going to make that number in tally marks, I would have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62. 6 10s and 2 1s. 60 plus 2 equals 62. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 2 equals 62. All right, let's take a look at our shapes. We've been talking about all these 3D shapes this month. Our first shape is our rectangular prism. And we know the rectangular prism has 4 rectangle faces and 2 square faces. Sometimes it might have 6 rectangles. Sphere, cube, and we know a cube has all the faces are squares, and there's 6 of them. Cone, we know a cone, the base is a circle, and the other face is a triangle that's rounded. We have our pyramid. Our pyramid has a square at the bottom. And then based on whatever shape is at the bottom, how many triangles you have at the top. Triangular prism is made out of triangles and rectangles. We haven't really talked about that one yet. And our last shape, our cylinder, has a circle as a base, a circle at the top, and then our last face there is a rectangle. So let's take a look at our calendar pieces so far. December 1st, we had a jar of peanut butter, and you told me that was a cylinder. On December 2nd, we had a box of crayons, rectangular prism. December 3rd, we had grapes, and you said those were spheres. December 4th, we had a block, which was a cube. December 5th, we had a marker, which is a cylinder. December 6th, you told me that the drink that you would get at the refreshment stand or at the movies would be a cylinder. December 7th, we had an ice cream sandwich on Monday, and we said that was a rectangular prism. Tuesday, we had a bunny hutch or a bunny cage, and you told me that was a rectangular prism. And now today we have a basketball. And I can already tell you're yelling to me, it is a sphere, and you are right. Now, Blue Group noticed something about the calendar. We went cylinder, rectangular prism, sphere, cube. Then we went cylinder, cylinder, prism, prism. So now we have a sphere. I wonder what tomorrow will be. We think it's a growing pattern. Next up for the month of December, we're going to talk about time. We've been talking about time to the hour. Now we're going to talk about time of day. In half of a day, we have 12 hours. And you see your hair on the clock. If I start at 12 o'clock and I go to 6, that's 6 hours. If I start at 6 and I go to 12, that's 6 more hours. 6 plus 6 is 12, and that's half the day. So, I wonder if someone could figure out 12 plus 12 for me. You're right, there are 24 hours in a day. And the hours between 12 p.m. and 12 a.m., we call those daytime, starts 12 p.m. at midday, and then 12 a.m. is midnight, and then we start the a.m. hours. So if you take a look, looking at it like this is our typical day when we would get up in the morning. We would call that 6 a.m. It's morning hours. 9 a.m. we have reading group. 12 o'clock we have Go Noodle. 3 o'clock, that's when the day's over. You've done all your classes and special. 6 o'clock, I just picked 6 o'clock because I'm thinking most people eat around 5, 6. 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock based on what you do at your house, bedtime. And then 12 a.m. That is the middle of the night, beginning of the morning, 12 a.m. Now, I also broke it down like this for you. 12 a.m., you're still asleep. 6 a.m., we get up, we get dressed, have breakfast. We have lots of school stuff. Then we have that Go Noodle at 12 p.m. That's midday. We have more school things, math. We go home, then we have dinner, 6 p.m. We go to bed. We have lots of time with our family. Then we go to bed, and then we're asleep when it gets to 12 a.m. So our 12 hours to 12 p.m. and then our 12 hours back to 12 a.m. A.m. to p.m., p.m. to a.m. See how that works? Pretty cool. Okay. Want to review those doubles again? We have a new doubles wrap. It's the doubles, baby. Let's go. Let's go. It's the doubles, baby. Let's start with 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. Ooh. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Ooh. 2 plus 2 equals 4. More. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Kicks. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Again. 6 plus 6 equals 12. That's swell. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Let's lean. 8 plus 8 equals 16. My queen. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Jelly bean. 10 plus 10 equals 20. That's plenty. So let's try that again. It's the doubles wrap. It's the doubles, baby. Let's go. Let's go. It's the doubles, baby. Let's start with 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. Ooh. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Ooh. 2 plus 2 equals 4. More. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Kicks. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Again. 6 plus 6 equals 12. That's swell. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Let's lean. 8 plus 8 equals 16. My queen. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Jelly bean. 10 plus 10 equals 20. That's plenty. Pretty cool. Whatever helps us remember those doubles. Okay. We're going to be playing a game later this month with tens. And if you take a look at our double tens frame, right here I see 10 and right here I see 0. So 10 plus 0 equals, you got it, 10. My next frame, I see 10 in this frame and 2 in this frame. What's 10 plus 2? Let's just count up. 10, 11, 12 equals 12. Let's take a look at the next one. I see 10 here and I see 4 here. Let's start at 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What's 10 plus 4? You got it, 14. Let's look at the next one. I see 10 and then 2, 4, 6 plus 6 more. Does anybody see a pattern here? 10 plus 6 equals, you got it, 16. Next one, 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8. I heard you shout it out. You're right, it's 18. And then our last one, we have 10 plus 10. And you know, ding, 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 that's 20. We're going to be playing a game with that later this month. All right, our next job is to count by fives. Are you ready? Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, you got it, 100. We're going to use that today in our game that we're going to play. Now we're counting by tens. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, in our game today, we're going to use coins. Okay, and I realized last week when we were working in groups that we don't know our coins as well as I thought we did. Can you tell me what a penny is worth? You got it. A penny is worth 1 cent. A penny is worth 1 cent. A penny is worth 1 cent. Show me one finger right now. A nickel is worth 5 cents. A nickel is worth 5 cents. A nickel is worth 5 cents. Show me 5 fingers right now. Next one right here with the D. A dime is worth 10 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. Show me 10 fingers right now. Last one. 4 and a dollar. A quarter is worth 25 cents. A quarter is worth 25 cents. A quarter is worth 25 cents. Show me 10, 20, 5, 25 right now. All right, so we're going to use those coins to play a game today. We're going to do 2 games with money. And then the third one is just boom cards, and you are going to click on them and you're going to find the 3D shapes. It's kind of a cool little game. Well, let's check out this first game. It says, who has more sense with nickels and pennies? So it's going to look a little bit like a game that we've played in the past, but it's a little bit different. You're going to spin the spinner. And right now it's set up to play students versus the teacher. So we'll do a pretend game right now, but then you could play it, you versus mom, or you versus dad, or you versus a brother or sister. So I spun a nickel for the students. So we would take the marker and you spun a nickel. So what's a nickel worth? You got it. 5 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, my spin. Oh, I got a nickel too. So I'll take the marker. 5 for me. You're going to be able to X these out a little bit better than me. Definitely isn't easy. Okay, we're going to spin the spinner for you. I'm not sure. Ooh, another 5. So you had a 5, and now you have another 5. So what does that give you? You're absolutely right. You have 10. Okay, my turn to spin. Ooh, 5 and a nickel and a penny. Okay, your spin. Oops. Oh, just a penny for you. Womp womp. Okay. I'm spinning. Ooh, 3 pennies for me. I'm going to count them off as I draw them off here. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. 5 plus 1 more for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So every time I spin a nickel, I am counting how many pennies. You got it, 5. Every time I spend a penny, I am marking off 1 penny, right? So that's our game. And our second game that you're going to try, it goes along with our 5s and our 10s. This time you're going to count with nickels, pennies, and dimes. Nickels, pennies, and dimes. Okay, so let's see. We're going to have you spend first, and you have a nickel. So again, you're going to take it, and you're going to mark out 5 because you spun 5. Okay, a nickel. Now I spun 3 pennies. So all I can do is cross off 3 pennies. Oh, just a penny. Okay, 3 pennies for me. Okay. Now for you. Another penny. Oh, goodness. Penny for me. So that kind of stops me. I'm at 7. And you're at 7 too. So let's roll for you now. Let's see what you got, or spin for you. Another penny. What's going on? All right. My spin. 1 penny. We're getting that one a lot, aren't we? Spinning the spinner. 5 for you. Okay, so you're going to keep spinning. And every time that you spin a penny, we are going 1 jump on our pennies, and we're crossing out 1 penny only. When I spin a nickel, I'm going to cross out how many pennies? 5. All right, let's see if we can get, if I get a dime, then I'm going to cross out, you're right, I'm going to cross out 10. Oh, goodness, there we go. 5, 6, 7. All right. Roll that or spin that one again. And we have 3 pennies. Okay, you get the hang of it. So when you spin the spinner and it's a penny, you're going to mark off 1. If you spin the spinner and it's a nickel, you're going to mark off 5. And if you spin the spinner and you roll a 10, you're going to mark off, roll the dime, you're going to mark off 10. Okay, and your sheet looks like this. So if you play the game with mom or dad or brother or sister who won, you can say me, or you can say my mom, my dad. And you're going to play the game with dimes, nickels, and pennies. You're going to say who won, and then you're going to do your boon cards. Okay? All right, friends. I hope you have a great day, and I hope you enjoy the math. Bye.